And do you know how lucky we are? You are not going to believe how lucky we are. We've actually managed to get Tammy unlocked from Rod's arms. He will not let her go. Tammy, you going to come and tell us what you're going to do with this?
I guess so. Right, so I haven't touched this tree since we last, since that first group video we did together, and Dad's been nagging me for a while now to actually do something with it. And you know, you're gonna come down, and you're gonna, you know, forget about it. So he managed to get me, and I was like, I couldn't say no. So we established last time this was the front, and he still agrees this is the front. So we're looking at all this massive growth that's happened in my inexperienced eye, so we're going to chop a fair few of these back. Now, I don't like this one. It's blocking that nice view here, so we're going to work out how to get rid of it. Like that. Oh, look at that. So, we've got much smaller one, used to for women's hands, really. He said cut it in the middle.
I use it too.
Well, you know.
Let's
Whatever
not go
floats
there.
your boat. Now, it's good that I'm using this hand to hold the bonsai, because this actually has some nice nails on it. The nails on this hand broke this morning, so let's not zoom in on them. That's what we want. Let's cut that. Look at that.
So what have you just removed there? The whole top of the tree there.
Correct. Right, I'm going to cut this back so we get a bit more coordinated shape here, because it's far too long. It's like hasn't had a haircut in a very long time, and you can tell. It's like me at the hairdressers. Just take it all off, take it all off. It's like learning how to use chopsticks. There we go. That one as well. It's distracting the eye. It's distracting my eye at any rate.
Okay, so just remind us where the front is again.
Right here.
Right there, okay.
So we get a nice clean view of it.
The good thing about these is they grow back so quickly anyway.
Okay, this one, again, it's unbalancing it. I'm going to cut it right back. Get a cleaner look at it. That's looking cleaner. We've got lots of little branches to be coming out from these areas, which, once it's explained, it does make sense. So, I'm going to cut that back a bit. Here, here, here. So we're going to hopefully have some new branches coming out. Looking pretty. Now, I'm not a fan of the direction of this branch. In my opinion, it's sticking out at an odd angle, and the direction of the tree at the moment is around here. But we're not completely agreeing on what the front is. Now, my dad's saying this is the front, so I'll be interested to know what you think. I believe, however, this is the front. We've got this gnarly bit going on here, and here makes it very interesting. I feel it's a very open tree in this way. If it's this way around, this is the front. I don't know, it just looks more one-dimensional. So
should we throw that into the
I think so. Well, we'd like to know in the comments what you think. Tam's angle, Zav's angle. I'll wrench it off. And again, I'll leave for ramification's sake a few little bits here so we can have potentially some new branches coming out here to create a lovely tree shape. I'm going to cut this branch to here in the hopes that we're going to get some branches coming out here and here to have a bit more depth. This one I really like, so I'm not going to do anything with that. I'm going to grow these ones. We're not sure about this one, I've been told. So we'll see how I feel about it in another year. But for now, I'll cut this one. Or chew this one, I don't know. There we go. So there we go, nicely cut back. Going to remove any more sucker branches. What's that one, for example? Although that could, again, I'm just going to have to see what it looks like in a year. Because these have been bold new decisions I've made today. Bold. And I'm not sure of the ramifications, and I don't know where the front is. Because we're all undecided.
Okay, well it's neatened up, and it'll be fine to go on until the spring.
Fantastic.
Are you going to be wanting to put it into a nice blue glazed pot like James has got?
Well, if he's got blue, I don't want blue. Alright, we'll have something a bit nicer, I think.
You'll agree with
Maybe a pink one, I'm a girl.
that. Or a white one.
Or a white one. Potentially, if it's got a marbly look to it, that'd be quite nice. Saying that, you've got a few grey ones with nice claw feet. But we'll do that another time.
So apparently this one's mine. I don't recognise it at all.
That was a tantrum.
That was not
That
a
was
tantrum. That was a shock, horror, what on earth am I supposed to do with it now?
It looks a bit like your tree did before, the mother-daughter protective.
No, because there's no daughter.
There's no mother. You're saying I've left you a mess?
Yeah. Apparently I'm supposed to just chop all these little ones off and then make anything that looks straight not look straight, but not with wire, so I'll just chop off all the straight branches. So I reckon this one looks pretty straight here, so I could just chop straight there. He stopped the camera, came in and took a branch off me.
I stole your branch. I took
branch.
away its
I was
childhood.
going to keep that one.
I've ruined your tree again.
Okay, so apparently I'm just going to get rid of these little ones here. Try not to drop this thing.
Oh, there's a spider crawling up my camera.
That's alright, as long as it's not crawling up me.
Incy wincy.
Can I maybe have that and then have these all just shooting out that way?
You can have what you want, it's your
And
tree.
eventually, if it keeps growing up that one, it'll just like
Do
be
that.
eventually like it's been sat the wrong way in the sun all the time, so all the branches are coming off one end.
Okay. That could also look windswept.
Cool, let's try that. Alright, so all of these
Tony
ones.
liked windswept.
Deep. Let's grab that one. And that one. Wait, was that the right one? And that one. He's desperately wanting to take these off me and go, no, don't do that. Woo! Gone. There we go. It's all shorn.
Meh.
Take that one as well.
No.
No? But it needs to go that
Okay,
way.
okay, take it away. Yeah, now I can see a plan. Okay. That means your front's there, okay.
So yes, the front, and then that can wind sweep out that way, and all the things will eventually
Okay.
go that way. And then eventually we could maybe like bend it all the way round.
And create the original shape you had to begin with. Sulky.
Here we go. Have I done what you wanted me to do with it?
Yeah, no, you've done it. You've definitely done it. Okay. I'm going to say goodbye to everyone.
Yeah, we'll see what happens next time I come, and he's been playing with it in the meantime. And yeah.
Go back to the piano and make me more music. Well, I don't know if that was as hard for you as it was for me, but I was desperately wanting to reach out and say, no, don't do that, or cut somewhere else. But I'll tell you what, the good thing about bonsai is that it's down to the individual. And I was sort of saying with Alex, she's cut this right back. I think she'd forgotten what her original one had, spirals and all sorts in it. And although this length is not right, we've now got taper being created. And if these bud out this way, we'll then get some branching there. And then that will get reduced. I have no idea where she's going with this, but the good thing about Cotoneaster, and this is why I say, if you want to practice on a tree that's cheap and will give you lots back, in other words, it will bud all the time, these you can just keep mucking them up, rebuilding, and really, because you can wire them as well, learn loads of skills. Yeah, I'm not sure if it looks any different from how it did before. So, there's been an opportunity for the little weenie children to get into their baby trees, and I've had a chance to do some filming and bite my nails, and hopefully, it's certainly been nerve-wracking for me. Do you want to say something, Zita?
Yes.
My wife's namesake.
Stop.
Just quickly say it.
Hello.
Yes. There you go. Bye.
Where's your tree, Zita? She wants to do a tree.
No. Anyway, from Xavier, I'm glad you've watched. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, then don't watch again. All the best. God bless. Happy bonsaiing.
That's
Cheers.
not how you sell it. You say if you didn't enjoy it, then there's something wrong with you. Watch it again.
If I didn't enjoy it, there's something wrong with you. Watch it again.
Yeah.
I didn't say that, so don't put those thumbs that go this way. Okay, to the lions! Send them to the lions! Is that the Colosseum? It is, yeah. Anyway, ciao! Oh, don't go, don't go. Please, please, can you keep a secret? Last time you saw that right at the beginning of the video, I'm sure this was all the way up here. I'm not sure what's happened, but something's either dropped that branch down. It's been in that position for a good few months, so I don't know. Maybe James won't notice it. Should we wait till spring to find out? Cheers.